Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader in the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you go to find timelines down and you choose the time frame it suits you, depending on you trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button. Click at that, next to it a bell, turn it to also like that when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here on YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So, as you see here today, the daily candle, it's finished here and it gave us here nice sign today after the CPI data came. As you see it here in that place, what you see in there, the market is came and it's showing here a rejection, and that's something good, but till now it's not yet. Why? I'm going to show you in that video, so make sure to watch all the video from the start till the end. So let's start by the first, that one here. As you remember, what else we used to have here? We used to have here that trend line here. That one, as you see it when we touch it here. Now the market is showing as if it's going to reverse and to go up, and all that is healthy. Because last time when we break in here, in that zone here, we went up till here. Now we came back, we tested again. So if we go back up, that's something very healthy for the Bitcoin to happen. But till now, me personally, I think it's still a little bit early. And if you remember what else we said before, people they been with us, what else we said before here in the daily, me I tell it to you and I remember it very well. I told you, me I'm waiting the Bitcoin to give me here a big head and shoulder like that. If it give it to us here, it's going to be very good, and it's going to be the neckline here. You see it or no? So till now, it's showing everything it goes in our favor. So if that one go till here, going back till here, we're going to make a very good decision and the bull market it will start. But also before all that happening and all that, people they been with us, they remember those things. What else we said here in the daily? We said something very important. We said we got here and here that Wyckoff pattern. Very simple and clear Wyckoff pattern. Look at it. When the market came down here, it gave us that fake out here. Now, if that one came, because it's need to complete it. It's need that one to come and to break here and to do like that, to do a wave like that. That here, it's 100% is going to be the bottom. And all those people, they still waiting at 10K, tell them bye-bye. Because look at it here. You see that cross here, that yellow one? That where is the 50 moving average is crossing above. Let me show it to you. Look at it here. You see it or no? The 50 moving average, it cross above that level here. Now we need to wait in the coming hours or coming days if we are going to go higher and we're breaking the last high, or all that it will be just a correction, then after that the market will falling down more. And me I think dependent is going to take some time to break that level here, because what came today, by the way, let's go in now to see the news which is coming today. So let's go in there. The news which is coming today, before the news which is coming today, let's see the news who came yesterday. So let's go in there. As you see it here, we came yesterday. Then over here, what you seeing? The CPI data who came today. It came 6.4. What that meant? Previous one, it used to be 6.5. Let me zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you very well. Look here. As you see it, that the previous one. The previous one, it used to be 6.5. This one, it came 6.4. What that meant? It meant the CPI, it started slowing a little bit. That's what me I've been telling you. If you remember what me I told you when I give you that metaphor, that example of someone, he tried to lose weight. If he overweighted, the first time when he was started training, he was started losing weight very quickly, like how it happened from 9 till 6.5. When we reach to 6.5 to 2% is going to be very hard. It will start losing only 0.1% per month, because that one it will take long to reduce the inflation to 2% like how the Fed wants. So now, what happened to the stock market today? If you came here and you're looking at that table of us we're looking at it every day. What you seeing? All your stocks today, they are red. They close in red. Why? They close in red because they are fearful of the Fed or Jerome Powell to increase interest rate till the end of 2023. And the target to go above that 5% they want. And even Jerome Powell, he said it. He said maybe they are going to go above that 5%. So then they got a problem now. They can't lower the inflation and they can't go above 5% interest rate. So over here is a dilemma. They need to find out what they are going to do. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go in for today to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. Here we are. That for today, as you see it. That the news we got today. Even today we got very, very special news. You need to look at it very well. We got retail sales of USA. Even that one, you need to be careful about it. If it's going to come negative or positive. Even that one, you need to be careful about it. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day. What it's telling us today here. Look with me here about the VIX. The VIX today, it fell down below 20 again. At this moment when we register in that video is at 18.91. But that means currency it fell down because the inflation even like that it falling down. Yes, it used to be 6.5, it fell down to 6.4. That means the inflation is falling down. Yes or no? So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us, because even today there is very important news. So you will need to focus on about that. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, so you remember here. I told you guys, try to protect yourself. Me, I'm talking here about the people, they follow me in my Telegram channel, because over there we chat and we talk about those things. Over here, I told them, try to protect yourself. And what me, I told you in the last videos, I told you the market try to give you here like a double bottom here. Did it break the neckline? Yes, look at that. What did I told you me? I told you even if it's breaking the neckline here, also we are not going to enter long. If you remember it, why? Because look at it here. Where you are, we staying below in the 200 moving average and we couldn't break it above. And even the 50 moving average now, it's crossing below. You need to focus about those things, me, I'm telling you. Look at it here. You see it or no? The 50 moving average here, it's crossing below then the 200 moving average. Yes or no? And also we couldn't break here that level. And that one is very, very, very important news to you guys. You need to focus it with me there. Look here. We came back. The market fell down till here. Then we came back to test the 200 moving average. Then the 50 moving average showing is going to fall down. So what should we do now? At this moment when we're registering the video. What else we said here in the 4 hours? We said we got here a trend line like that. Yes or no? And we said we got down here a wage like that. The market is going back up to touch that trend line here. That normal and healthy. If we touch it here and we couldn't break it, and the market fall down and break lower here, the trend line here, you enter short again. I'm talking about the people, they haven't entered with us from here. Because us, we enter here and we protecting ourselves here. And now we are risk free. If it fall down, if it stay here, because our stop is it here. Now, if it's breaking up here, you enter long. If it fall down and breaking down here, you enter short. Some people, they said me, I don't tell them if they are need to enter long or to enter short. Look here. If the Bitcoin or the chart of the Bitcoin came and breaking here, the trend line here, you enter long. If it came down and breaking down here, you enter short. That's it. May I give you everything? So you need to go to your chart and do it. I don't have all the world time to stay in front of the chart. When is it the right time? I'm going to tell it to you. May I just give you my analysis and you need to complete a little bit. I think picture is too clear here. And here also where we go back. Here, talk with me here. Very, very careful here. What we used to have here in that level here. We used to have here a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes or no? We stay long above it till it came that time. And we break it here. Now again, we came back to touch it here. So when we came back to touch it here, what else we said? A support here is getting broke here. Now it's become here a resistance. Now we need to see if that one is going to fall down to break for us that last low, which is here. Because the last low now is it here. If the Bitcoin came from here and breaking that last low here, that means it's going to fall down more. If it's not and go back here, all that is just a fake out. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators. What they say for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. That one here, you remember what else we used to say? If it's breaking here, also we're going to enter long. Breaking and it came till here. Should we enter long now? Because now if you're looking at it, we change from the bear's control to bull's control here in the 4 hours. Should we enter long now here? No, my friend, not yet. If you remember me, I told you you have here a divergence before all that move happening here. You can find it in the last video. Look at it where we are now. Told we enter long. No, we need to wait in the break to happen in that trend line I show you in the chart. You need to remember that very well. I'm going to show it to you in all the time frames here. Picture is too clear here. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. So it's going there. That one here used to be here at the oversold area, yes or no? That normal level, we used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. Start think what we've been saying all that time. We need a price action to happen. Did we got a price action here? Yes, we got that trend line like that, or that wage like that. If that one came and breaking here above, you can enter long again. If it's not, look with me what I'm doing. If it just came here and tested here, then it fall down and break a lower here, you enter short again. You don't care about our indicator is that the overbought or oversold. The most important, the price action. And I show you now, us, we're just going back to test that level here. You remember it or no? Us, we are going back to test that level here. So if that one came and breaking the last low here, and it's going to break for us even the lower of that wage, it's going to fall down more than that. If it's not, it's going to break up, and also we're going to enter long. If it's breaking here like that, look with me. If it's doing like that, I'm breaking here, breaking the 200 moving average, I'm breaking the trend line as we got here, we're going to enter long again. That's it. Everything is very simple. So what we got, let me summarize everything for you. You got here a wage like that. Look at it, very clear wage. You see me how I draw it. If the market break here in that zone here, you enter long. If the market fall down and breaking down here, the lower of that wage will enter short. That's it. At this moment, what you need to do, to put that chart in front of you, and when is it the right time to enter. That's it. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last videos, what me I told you here. I told you we have here a trend line here. It's getting broke here. We love you enter long, look, tell where you are. And people, they've been with us, they remember all those things. Us here, we told you here. For some people, they said me, I don't give you signals. Over here, I told you to enter long. Look, tell where, tell here. Over here, I told you like that. When it's breaking here, I told you need to enter short. Look, tell where. Over here, in the last video, just the last video, it just breaking here and breaking the 200 moving average here. I told you what you need to do to enter long. And if you remember me, I show you here, we got here a head and shoulder here. I just summarize what me I said before. Look where we are now. Now, at that level here, what should you do? Because over here, now we try to give you here like a double top. Where is the neckline of that one? It's down here. If that one came down and breaking here, you can enter short, or you can even doing something like that. If that one came and breaking down here, you can enter short, but that one is going to be very far. For me, just here, that double top. Everything is very simple, guys. And look at that double bottom. We're showing to you in the 4 hours how it's look here in 30 minutes. You see it or no? It's very clear here in 30 minutes, and the neckline is it here? Is the same neckline of the double top it's given us now at this moment here. Now, if it came and break a lower here, you can enter short again. Remember that. The double top here, to see it very clear, you changing candles, 2 lines like that. You see it or no now? And you zoom in a little bit like that. Look here. I'm not going to draw on top of it for pictures to get more clear to you. That the first top. Over here, it give you now like a double. The second top. Where is the neckline? The neckline is it down here. If that one came down and break it lower here, you can enter short again. You see it or no? How I draw it. Same things, do it in your chart, and you waiting when it's going to be broken. That for short, yes or no? And for the long, what we need to do? Because us, what we used to say, every time we give you a long and short, yes or no? For the long, is the same downtrend we got at 4 hours. If that one came and breaking here, enter long again. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is it here at the overbought area. So technically now what we need to do to look for a short opportunity. That what the logic is saying. Also, we are here. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Second thing, we need a price action. We got one here. As you see, I just show it to you. Got here a double top. If that one came and break a lower here, you need to enter short, take profit of you. It needs to be just here. That's for the short. For the long, I just show it to you how to get it. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to smash that like button, to write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up, so please support us. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.